Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather with Heather Marie Home. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your house smell amazing, but specifically how to make it smell like fall without any candles. We're going to be going over a few of my favorite tips and tricks on how to get your house just smelling all nice and warm and cozy. So sit back, get a warm cup of tea or hot chocolate and enjoy. And please let me know if you use any of these tips in the comments. And if you like this, please be sure to subscribe. Okay, I know I said no candles, but I wanted to start off by showing you my battery-operated remote control candles and my twinkle lights that I love to have on during the fall just to give that nice, warm, cozy feeling. So the first thing I love to do to help my house smell like fall is a simmer pot. These are great to have going during the fall and the winter. You can really customize them to whatever you like. But this one I'm making in the crock pot instead of putting it on the stove. I have a gas stove, and so I just hate to have that constantly going. With the crock pot, you can set it on low and it will last all day and all evening. So with this one, I'm adding in some sliced apples, sliced oranges, some cinnamon sticks, and whole cloves. And then you just top it with water and set it on low or set it on high if you really want to get it going. So next, I'm going to be making a homemade potpourri using essential oils. So I'm just going to use some more oranges and apples, cut them real thin, and then dry them out in the oven. I'll leave instructions in the comments below. And then once they're dry, you can mix them with more cinnamon sticks, more bay leaves, whatever you like, and then add a couple drops of essential oils. And there you go. One quick way to really get your house smelling like fall is using a diffuser. I have so many different favorite fall diffuser blends, and I'll leave some of my favorites down below in the comments. But just simply add your essential oils and water to your favorite diffuser and let it go. Diffusing is such a great alternative to candles. Plus, you can make your own combinations, and diffusing lasts a lot longer than candles and a lot cheaper. Next, I'm going to make a fall room spray. I spray this in the living room, the bedroom, and even keep a bottle in the bathrooms. So with this one, I'm using cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg, but I will leave a few different recipes in the comments that you can try out. So you just add your essential oils to a glass bottle. I'm just using an 8-ounce spray bottle here. And then you're going to top it with witch hazel, just a little bit of witch hazel, and then top the rest with distilled water.